Bobby the Bird, Braveheart, Bravery. Bobby the Bird had beautiful wings, but he was afraid of heights. It was too high to go up and fly, so the ground is just what he liked. He walked to school with other kids who wish they can fly, which is what they would say. But Bobby the Bird said, "Leave me alone, I just like to walk, okay?" Bobby the Bird would get the jitters just from having the thought. Bobby the Bird felt it was safer and more comfortable when you walked. Bobby didn't like the fact that everyone expected him to fly. It seems like they didn't even care that he was terrified of the sky. Bobby didn't like the conversation of flying with his parents. Bobby's father would get upset, so Bobby does mind sharing. Bobby woke up for school that morning and prepared for his usual route. He waved at the kids that flew to school, and with the others, he headed out. As they walked to school, they told jokes, played pranks, and sang like a choir, and spotted a classmate that got left behind who was stuck in a telephone wire. Bobby the Bird saw his classmate dangling and bolted from the pavement because Bobby the Bird's brave heart told him it's you that needs to save him. Bobby got to his classmate, helped him unravel, and returned him to the ground. All the kids just stood there shocked and appalled in disbelief, not making a sound. Bobby the Bird didn't realize yet that he just flown into action. But when he did, he formed a Kool-Aid smile, and his classmates started whistling and clapping. Bobby the Bird bolted back up and started doing tricks in the sky. Because Bobby the Bird was finally happy, he was no longer afraid to fly.
The End. Written and narrated by Kevin M. Moore.
Bobby the